Hello students, welcome to Uncle. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening everyone. No Rita. Yeah, Durga, it is partially correct. Yes, sir, very good. It's wrong, Amit. Abe and Samudra, it's partially correct. Monidul, please check your calculations. Umira, partially correct. This is the formula. So in case one means this one. Okay. This is case. Please check. These two are the answers. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, please be better slide. Okay, sir, done.
What is the nature of rear view mirror? Is it concave or convex?
Convex.
Convex mirror. Now the jogger is moving at a constant speed. Okay. So after 1 second, the position of the jogger is.
So please show the previous slide. Done.
Jogger is approaching the mirror. Na? So after 1 second, its distance will become less by 5 meters. So it will be at a 34 meter from the rear view mirror. Na? So now what will be the position of the image? So can we again use this? Let's call it U dash. Okay. So there will be difference in position of image in 1 second. And with the help of that, we are able to get the idea about the speed. Okay. Please solve this. Are you getting 1 by 280 meter? And because this is the difference per second, so this will be the speed of the jogger.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, you can solve for other cases. So tell me the answer quickly. How U is 39? It is given in the question, I think. See, when the jogger is at 39 meter, it is given. Na? R is given. And now you have to solve this completely for 29 meter by taking U equal to 29 and then for 19 and then for 9. So tell me the answer for 29 meter. Tell me the answer. This is A part. So I'm not going to solve. You will tell me the answer.
Sir, 1/150.
Yes. And for U equal to minus 90. And then for 9. Na?
Sir, 1/60.
Others are also checking the answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1/10.
Yes. Can I tell you some kind of shortcut?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, for this case, you might have noticed that you are getting V to be 29 by 30. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then your V dash must have been
25 upon 20.
24 over 25.
Yes, sir. 24, 25.
Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
The shortcut in this particular question is because we have solved first part. V is this divided by 1 added to this. So no need to solve for V. And then please subtract 5 from each of them. You will get the lower one. And now their difference is your answer. Okay? That's how you can solve it.
The speed should be constant for that. The jogger speed should be constant.
Obviously, speed. This is for this particular question. I'm telling you.
Okay.
And similarly for other cases you can do.
Okay, sir.
Just to save your time.
sir, previously. Okay, sir.
Please check this one. So I have solved almost half of the question. Now you can do, I think. Yes, Rita, very good. It means the side of the image is 2 now, and that will also be a square. So area
Yes.
included by the image of the wire will be side square. That is 4 now.
Yes, sir.
Please check everyone.
Yes, sir.
Get me the answer. Rita, it's wrong. Yes, Durga. Very good. Yes, Arun. Rita, again, it's wrong. How can it be 0? See, I'm doing this, okay?
Okay, sir.
This is the first part. Now, when we shift the object by 15 centimeter, then you will, what will be the value of u?
Minus 25.
Yes. U dash will be minus 40 plus 15. Okay. So
Yes, sir. This is my mistake. 35 centimeters.
yeah.
So you're missing a subtraction.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Minus 1 upon 15.
Okay. Earlier, it was less negative. Now it has become more negative. So it means it has moved away from the mirror. And if it becomes less negative, it means it is moving towards the mirror. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So these kind of questions are important related to speed, shift, etc.
Please show the previous one.
Okay, Sudra.
Done.
So this is the question and no diagram. You have to make the diagram yourself. Yes, Abhi. Very good. Please check the diagram up to this point. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now this image, it will act like an object for the second mirror. Okay.
Yes, sir. 100%.
हाँ सर, पर ये तो मिरर के पीछे है ना, तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे बनेगा? ए बी डैश ए डैश
ये रे ना बेटा,
कौन सी रे?
ये वाली रिफ्लेक्ट होके इधर चली जाएगी।
ओके ओके, सो वही वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट का काम करेगा कि ये यहाँ पर था।
तो इनको आप रिफ्लेक्ट करके जो ऊपर लेके जाओगे, मैं शो कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा। एक्चुअली वो डायग्राम थोड़ी सी
हाँ, तो इसलिए मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था कि ये पीछे का ऑब्जेक्ट पीछे तो कैसे?
अब ठीक है।
अब ठीक है सर, अब समझ आया कि क्या हो रहा है।
एक्चुअली अगर मैं दोबारा डायग्राम के लिए जाऊंगा तो बड़ा टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा, तो इट विल बी बेटर अगर आप यहाँ से अंडरस्टैंड करें तो ये रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी ना।
यस सर।
तो आई एम रिप्रोड्यूसिंग इट बैकवर्ड्स एंड सिमिलरली ये वाली, तो इसको मैं कोशिश करता हूँ यहाँ पे बना दूं ऑब्जेक्ट, तो ऐसे ऐसे कहीं पे मीट कर जाएंगी दिस, तो ये फाइनल इमेज ये बनेगी आपकी ऐसे। इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
यस सर, नाउ इट्स मेकिंग सेंस।
So that's why I said this will work like an object ना।
Yes.
Only ना, clear?
Yes, sir.
तो ये तो होगी डायग्राम की बात। अब इसको we have to put it in a mathematical form and we have to get the answer. So what do we have along with us? Concave mirror radius of curvature is given. Okay, so we know f, and the distance between the two mirrors it is 50, and it is placed halfway, so it is 25 ना।
Yes, sir. U भी दिया, U F दिया है, V निकाल।
U we know and f we know, so we can get a v ना।
Yes, sir. तो इसके जवाब U हो जाएगा।
Can I call it U1? I think that will be better.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise dash dash that will make it complex ना। So R1 minus 40 ना, it was 40 ना, yes। Minus 20 it means this distance is also 50. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this distance is also 50 na? Because this is coming out to be 100 na?
Yes sir, the object distance for that convex mirror is 50 centimeter.
Yes. So now you can take it as a u na? And one more thing, as v1 is a negative, it means image is real.
Yes sir, magnified approximately 4 times, inverted.
X as virtual object for convex mirror. Now from convex mirror the distance will be 50 na?
Yes, sir.
So please solve for v2.
सर हमने u2 को पॉजिटिव क्यों लिया?
Convex है ना?
कॉन्वेक्स है, समझ गया। कॉन्वेक्स में तो फोकल लेंथ पॉजिटिव है, पर ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस पॉजिटिव कैसे होगा, समझ सकते हैं?
तो focal भी कैसे positive है? Tell me. How can you say that the focal length is positive? That is also towards left na?
यस सर,
So actually you have made it other way around na? Are you getting?
मतलब कॉन्केव का अदर वे राउंड।
हाँ, तो मैंने कॉन्केव की तरह बना दिया ना, उसका सरफेस दूसरा भी तो कर दिया।
ओके सर,
तो if you are taking f as positive, so will be u ना?
ओके सर।
Actually अब डिस्टेंस लेफ्ट वाले पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे, राइट वाले नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे ना?
Ah, sir. Inversion of concave mirror.
Because you have changed the position of the mirror. Na?
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, got it.
It means if you are getting V to be positive, then the image will be behind the mirror or towards left. If you are getting V to be negative, then the image will be towards right.
Yes, yeah.
सर A dash B dash लाइट की डायरेक्शन में है, तो इसलिए पॉजिटिव ले लेंगे.
इसमें
डायरेक्शन
ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं क्योंकि अब आपकी लाइट राइट से लेफ्ट की ओर आ रही है. दैट्स आल्सो करेक्ट. अब क्योंकि लाइट आपकी इधर से इधर जा रही है ना, तो वो
Yes, sir.
डायमेंशन वो भी ठीक चल रहा है. ठीक. That's also a good point. So this was how much? 15 na? And this was 15 na? How much? This na? There.
Yes.
The final image, because V2 is positive, A double dash V double dash is virtual and is formed behind the convex mirror. Please check. So this was a little trickier. Clear?
सर previous slide.
Yes.
सर इधर ड्राइंग वाला सर. Okay sir.
It is less, na? Less than 50, and otherwise also it is virtual. It is behind. Actually, behind means this is front of the mirror, na? This is back of the mirror. This part. Okay. Yes, students. Anyone? Magnification. You remember we derived two more formulae for magnification yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Can I use this? M dash. Therefore, M by M dash, it can be written as, and it will be written as this, no? And we are given that size of object A is 4 times that of B. Means H1 is 4 times H1 dash. Okay. And they form images of the same size. Means H2 is equal to H2 dash. H1 equal to 4 H1 dash. H2 equal to H2 dash. And F is how much? 10. So therefore, what was the relation? H2 dash, H1 dash, h1 h2 dash. 4 h1 dash h2 dash equal to f minus u2 minus 10 minus u2 by f minus u1 minus 10 minus 50 centimeter. So plus 50 हो जाएगा minus minus, or you can write it as like this, and h1 dash h2 dash, these will get cancelled. This is the answer. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Please try to solve. Please check. I have made the diagram for you. Now try to get the answer.
So why can't you place the object little more? I mean, towards the pole, near to the pole.
Let me tell you. Please read the question carefully. It is clearly given that the image just touches the rod, and we know that when the object is at C, only then the image is formed at C. Otherwise, object and image they never coincide. Na? It is only when the
Okay.
object is placed at C. It means one end of the rod it should be at C. Na? Only then the image will coincide.
Right, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we cannot have any other case. Let me write the reasoning for this. Let me write with a different color. I think it must be clear now.
Yes, sir.
So now you can solve it. U is given to be 2f
2f
minus
minus f3.
yes, 5f by 3. Na?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 3 by
Yes, Durga, very good. So U is equal to f by 5f by 3 na? Minus 5f by 3. Na? And V is minus f. No, f is minus f, of course. What we can write. Let us try to find V. Please check. This will be negative, na? B is also minus 5f by 2. You can see. Okay. So length of the image. What will be the length? Anyone?
F by 3. Length of the image, sir. Sorry, sir. 5.
This much, na? F by 2. Because I'm getting this to be 5f by 2, na? Corresponding to this position, I'm getting this image, na? And we are getting 5f by 2. It means the distance of A dash from P is 5f by 2. Now, if I subtract this 2f from this 5f by 2, I will be able to get the length of the image, na? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is f by 2. So now what will be the magnification then? Length of the image to the length of the object. F by 2 to f by 3, it is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. That's it.
Otherwise, minus B by U. Magnification.
हाँ उससे भी you can do.
Yes, sir. Same.
But उससे करना नहीं है. There is a reason for that. That will depend upon the length of the rod. Na? Actually, it is a literal magnification. Na?
Yes, sir.
If you change the length of the object, length of the image will not change by the same magnitude. So that will be wrong to say.
This is only for normal case.
Yes. Clear? That's by chance you are getting the same answer in this particular question. An object of 1 centimeter square face area is placed this one. So this is the diagram. It is given that the object is placed at a distance 1.5 meter from the screen. And I have taken the distance of the object from the pole of the mirror to be x. So how far from the object should a concave mirror? Means we have to calculate x, so that it forms 4 centimeter square image on the screen. Okay. So try to solve it now. .3 meter. No.
0.3 centimeter. Got messed up with the units.
0.3. No.
Okay.
So we are taking u to be x meter. And what will be v according to you? It will be minus of x plus 1.5 from the mirror.
Yes, sir.
And aerial magnification is given. Aerial magnification, it is given that area of the image is this and the object is this. And we know that aerial magnification is square of linear magnification. That was the area, side square. Am I right? So this will be the linear magnification. It means side will become double, I mean to say. Okay. And this magnification should be negative. When I solve this question, I should take it as a negative. Only then I will be able to get the answer. Because m is equal to minus v by u.
सर ये तो पता नहीं कि फेस स्क्वायर
क्या है?
स्क्वायर
Yeah, that's okay, but we are taking it to be square. Normally, when we place the object, it is half above the screen and halfway down the screen.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, also this is always valid. Aerial is square of linear. Means the side that was above the principal axis, that is getting doubled. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
So this was how much? This, na? And this was minus x, na? So I'm getting x to be 1.5.
So I'll take the aerial magnification.
So now we have to get the focal length also. Na? It means the u is minus 1.5. And what is v now? It will be minus 3. Na? So 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. Please solve it. Minus 1 meter I'm getting the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me make the diagram for you. Focal length is 10. Na? It means mirror is beyond C. This is the plane mirror, na? Because it is 22.5 and the C is at 20. And let us take the object here at a distance x from the mirror, so that the image coincide. Okay. So here the images can coincide. Na? It means if I can get x, I can get this 22.5 minus x, na? And then I can get this also. This will be 22.5 minus x, na? Because in plane mirror, image is as much behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Okay. So this is the image formed by plane mirror. And the down one is the image formed by concave mirror. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it means we know the image position. So with the help of a concave mirror, we can get x, na? Clearly, because I know the focal length, isn't it? Please check. Or so v is 22.5 plus. Okay, let me write. Now it has become very simple. So u is how much? Minus x, na? And v is minus of 22.5 plus 22.5 minus x, na? Please check. I think now you can solve it. You can solve for x. 30 centimeter or 15 centimeter. So not possible, na? Because when we place the object beyond C, the image will be between C and F. Na? So only this thing is possible. Please check. And otherwise also it will be behind the plane mirror, na? Because the plane mirror distance is 22.5. So we cannot place the object behind the plane mirror. Otherwise we won't be able to get the image through the plane mirror. Na? So that's why it is not possible. Okay. Clear?
Can you please, sir?
Yes. Any doubt?
So जो आपने diagram में बताया,
I said the distance of the plane mirror is 22.5. Na? So you are getting x to be 30. It means the object will be here. But if you place the object here, can you get the image through the plane mirror? No, na?
no, sir. No.
That's why it is not possible. So the object will lie in front of the plane mirror. Now only then you can get the image.
Okay, sir.
That's it, admissible, na? 15 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So that's all for today, and we have finished our mirror part. So tomorrow we will start with lenses. Okay. Okay, students. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.